Introducing formulated wax as superior processing aid for rubber processing. Rubber compounds often face mixing inefficiency, poor dispersion, and high processing energy. To solve these issues, we introduce Fast Flow SG, a high-performance processing aid. Our product Fast Flow SG accelerates filler dispersion, significantly reducing compound mixing time and improving overall processing efficiency. It optimizes compound viscosity and improves flow during high-speed extrusion and molding operations. The enhanced dispersion ensures superior surface finish and enhances the overall aesthetic appearance of the final product. Its reduced mixing cycles also result in lower power consumption, improved process efficiency, and better overall production productivity. It delivers higher extrusion throughput, improving productivity than other processing aids. Also, Fast Flow SG significantly reduces Mooney viscosity, improving compound flow during processing. Our product is widely used across hoses, conveyor belts, seals and gaskets, industrial and extruded rubber profiles, etc. With EcoVadis Gold recognition, 20 Microns leads in sustainable, responsible manufacturing. Our research center drives innovation and ensures technical excellence. 20 Microns powers Indian industries with advanced manufacturing, R&D, and a strong sales network, delivering innovation-driven performance. Visit 20microns.com, email us at enquiry@20microns.com.